Well, good Monday afternoon, y'all. Figured I'd do I was waiting on one more piece to show up today, but I don't think it's going to show up in time for me to get this done and upload it to get it out today. But this is more or less a haul video. No stash, no model kits in this one. Or update. This is just equipment and paint and such like that. A little nippy this morning. Ooh. A little breeze coming up underneath. But anyway, went to Hobby Lobby Friday. Yeah, Thursday I worked. Friday I was off. Had to take Tammy to the doctor, so yeah, it's Friday. But anyway, went to Hobby Lobby. Got me some of this stuff here. I got this one, the big bottle that Fred that had showed on his videos. Yeah, figured I'd give it a try. I don't know, I'll probably wait till spring to do it. Got that one. I even got this one, and yes, they're all of them are on sale right now at Hobby Lobby. So, at least at mine and his. So, and I also, since they had one of each, well, I had more than that, but I got one of each just to play around. And then I got this also. And a quick set. Yep. So, something to play with. Also, yes, when I was there, I got me some more lacquer spray paint. This one I got here is called Fabric Tan. Yeah. These are one of the last few still in the Model Master name. So I got that one. I got just the normal black. Figure I'll give that I could definitely use these two on a future build coming up. And AMC Sterling Silver Metallic 3D. Not a clue. All I know is that they show that. Yeah. I think it was this, and there was only like 2 of these left. I guess I could have got the other one, but I don't like to be greedy when it comes to that. Not too greedy. Of course, going along with paint, I ordered some more, TS8 Italian Red. Got 2 of them because this doesn't last long enough. Thinking about using this for the big rig group build for my Coca-Cola semi and trailer. Then get off of paint and mold. I got some resin pieces for my 1/144 scale new Gundam. Yeah. Just to doctor it up, make it look better. So you got some pieces that go together here, and yeah, I've never used these, so it's going to be quite the fun. And then to go with one of my questions I answered for Woody, I got me a little photo etch bender, because I do have photo etch pieces for my Missouri. I've got photo etch pieces for my Gundams. I think the Mustang up there has photo etch pieces, a little small sheet, and that might be it. I don't know, there's a couple around here that's got photo etch. So I got me a little one. Comes with the you see right there, the little razor blade to help get up underneath it and bend it upward. Yeah. And for Marcos out there, he was asking about the pinstriping tape that I was using. I don't know if you can tell. I'll try to, yeah, it's gonna be fun. Try to lay this up there, give you an idea if you can see it, how thin that stuff is. Yeah, about it. If I had to guess, about like that, was it thistle that you used to grab the stuff and throw it up on the Christmas trees? Yeah, it's about that thin. Now it's not even a millimeter thick according to this ruler here, or is it? Right, no, take it back. Yeah, take it back. 1 millimeter thick. That's what the size of these are. According to Mr. Mellow Ruler here, putting it between the digits, lays right between them. So you got a 1 millimeter thickness of these. So I hope that helps. Dropping everything, but I hope this helps you, Marcos. And I do believe that's it. I don't have anything else except that I haven't done anything more on the Al Wood appreciation build. I do need to get my purple pond and get the grill, front, rear bumper, rear view mirror, the side mirror to my 60 Chevy pickup truck I'm doing. Get them out. Probably do it when I get back from town. So yeah, I'll try to wash that up. So other than that, that's it, folks. Just over 5.5 minutes. So y'all take it easy. Be careful out there. And we'll talk to y'all later. You have to take it easy.